Customer called me on a Saturday afternoon, said, man, I need a refill. I said, what happened? I had a combine fire. I said, oh. So knowing it's a multi-shot can and it doesn't take much to put the fire out, I said, dude, you probably used too much. And he said, dude, I don't care, man. You saved my combine. I'll do it again tomorrow. The attraction for me, for AKE, man, in so many ways. A Christian company. The company stands up for their values and it's perfect for me. Financially, obviously, there's a great payoff. But I think the biggest thing is it just gives back to me more than what I expected in just the duty in those relationships and serving the community. In regards to peers, is really a brotherhood. The culture as for rep to my role would be more like development. Let me help you get better. Let me help you accomplish the things you're looking to accomplish. My name is Adam Malanga. I'm a national sales manager. I cover Kentucky, Tennessee, Illinois, Missouri, Louisiana, Alabama, Mississippi. I mean, you name it.